स्टूडेंट्स, इससे प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हमने डिस्कस किया था मोशन इन वन डायमेंशन में फोर्सेस और उसके जो न्यूटन्स लॉज ऑफ मोशन, दैट इज न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ, सेकेंड लॉ एंड न्यूटन थर्ड्स लॉ. These all were discussed in the previous class. Now in this class we will see the derivation of equation of first and second and third and so on. So let us see the equation number 1. That is derivation of first equation of motion. First equation of motion. We are going to discuss the derivation of first equation of motion. It is given as V is equal to U plus A T. We will see that from where this comes. Now we already know one thing, that what is acceleration. Acceleration is basically defined as rate of change of velocity, rate of change of velocity with respect to time. It means that the rate of change of velocity with respect to time is known as acceleration. It is given as A is equal to V minus U divided by T. Now we will arrive at the point from where this comes. See, we will cross multiply A and T, so it will become as AT. AT is equal to V minus U. We will transpose U to RHS. It is AT plus U given as V, or we can write this also as V is equal to U plus AT. This is derivation of first equation of motion. First equation of motion. Now we will discuss that what is V, U, A and T. Already I have told you that V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity of the body, T is in time, and we know that A is the acceleration. Now also we want to know that what is the unit of velocity. Unit of velocity is meter per second. Time, unit of time is seconds, and unit of acceleration is meter per second square. In one of the examination, the question was asked that derive the unit for acceleration. Question: Derive the unit for acceleration. Derive the unit for acceleration. It is very simple, no need to worry. We will just substitute the values of the unit in the formula. A is equal to V minus U over T. See, A is equal to V minus U over T. We know that unit of velocity is meter per second and time is second. It will become meter per second square. This is a question asked in one of the examinations of CBSE board. Now let us do few of the numericals based on this. A question is given, suppose a body changes its velocity from 5 meter per second to 20 meter per second in time t is equal to 4 seconds. We have to find the acceleration acquired by the body. See, we will use the formula A is equal to V minus U divided by T. 20 meter per second is the final velocity, initial velocity is 5 and time is 4. 20 minus 5 is 15, 15 divided by 4. Change this into mixed fraction, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15. Remember one thing in exam, if you forgot to write the unit this, your half marks will be deducted. Your half marks will be deducted. So keep in mind that after completing the numerical problems, it is very necessary that mention the unit also. Mention the unit whatever problem you are solving. So this is all about derivation of first equation of motion, and a simple problem was given to you for the practice that we have to calculate the acceleration. See, very simple, V is equal to U plus AT. This is the equation of first equation of motion. We already know that acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. A is equal to V minus U over T, cross multiply A into T. AT is equal to V minus U. So it will become AT plus U is equal to V, or V is equal to U plus AT. V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, T is the time. Look at the unit: velocity meter per second, time seconds, acceleration meter per second square. A question, simple question was given to you for the practice, that derive the unit for acceleration. It is given as A is equal to V minus U over T. Just substitute the unit V minus U, meter per second, time seconds. So meter per second square. A problem for practice, that the velocity of a body changes from 5 meter per second to 20 meter per second in time t is equal to 4 seconds. We have to calculate the acceleration. Just use the formula A is equal to V minus U over T. Final velocity is 20, initial velocity is 5, time is 4. We will solve 20 minus 5 is 15, 15 over 4, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 by 4 meter per second square. This is very important. Please remember that after completing the numericals, we have to write the unit. So this is all about derivation of first equation of motion. In next class, we will discuss about the second equation of motion and its derivation, and few of the numericals problems which were related to that topic. Thank you, students.